Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now the holidays are a time for indulgence, but all that sugar can leave you feeling tired, bloated and just downright irritable. So today I'm sharing how you can avoid the dreaded holiday sugar crash while still enjoying yourself. So let's jump in. First of all, I'm going to start by telling you how I kick off my morning with a high fibre, nutrient dense smoothie. And one of my favourites include a cup of spinach, half a cup of frozen blueberries and a tablespoon of flaxseed with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Now this smoothie stabilises my blood sugar and it keeps me full so that I'm less likely to reach for sugary treats later. And my next thing that I do is to make sure that I hydrate with herbal teas. Now, dehydration often feels like hunger, and drinking herbal teas like hibiscus or turmeric that I've got right here. I've got the hibiscus tea and its lovely flowers and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and I'll talk to you about that in a moment because these help balance blood sugar levels. So my go-to recipe is a teaspoon of hibiscus flowers, half a teaspoon of turmeric, just a tiny pinch of black pepper to activate the absorption of the curcumin in turmeric, with 500 ml of hot water, and I steep that for about 10 minutes. I also like to make a snack, but I snack smart. So instead of grabbing sugary snacks, I opt for nutrient-dense packed options. So I'll have a handful of nuts or some celery or carrot sticks with almond butter, or I might have roasted chickpeas with a pinch of smoked paprika. And these are my go-to tips that I can share with you that really works. As simple as they are, it really does help to curb that sugar appetite. And this tea is great. Have it half an hour before a meal. So as I said, steep a teaspoon of the hibiscus flower with half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper, and drink that hot just before, 30 minutes at least before you eat your meal. Now you can find the herbs mentioned in this video at naturalworkshops.com. You'll find organic turmeric root powder as well as the organic hibiscus leaves, and you can get the 50% off your first order, and I'll put the link in the description below. So start balancing your body naturally, and also join our Telegram group for more tips and a supportive health community. Now I'll add the link in the description below to the Telegram group, and a few of you have joined already, and if you have any questions, ask there, and let's support one another and build a community of like-minded health seekers. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, but share this video with others and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on natural solutions for your well-being. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.